If there is one thing stands out on iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max is Dynamic Island. Dynamic Island is only exclusive to these smartphones. Not even iPhone 14 or 14 Plus has this feature. But as it happens in the tech world, there is always some kind of method or tweak which can make this possible for any iPhone. Yes, now you can use this amazing Dynamic Island feature on any iPhone and enjoy all the cool features it has. It's a simple installation, you don't have to do a lot of tricks. It's just one-click installation. All you need to do is click on this link, which I will give you in the description. So once you click on this link, you will get this message. Open this page in iTunes. Click on Open and then click on Install Dynamic Cow. Come out of Safari and you can see the installation in progress. And now the Dynamic Cow application has been installed. Click on that. You will see this message, Untrusted Enterprise Developer. Click on Cancel and go to your settings to run this application. It only works in iOS 16.0.2 to iOS 16.1.2. Click on General. Click on VPN and Device Management. You will see China Mobile Communication. Click and trust China Mobile Communication Corporation, which is the developer for this application, and click on Trust. That's it. Come out of settings and you can use Dynamic Cow application. You will get two options for iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max. Depends on the size of the phone you're using. I'm using iPhone 12, so I will check on iPhone 14 Pro. Click on Enable. Now this is a full-fledged application, so it will take control of all permissions. It will take some time to enable it. And after a soft reboot, you can see the small Dynamic Island on your lock screen. You can enjoy all the cool features of Dynamic Island. So if you're receiving a call, you can increase the size on Island to see who is calling. And also if you're listening to music, you can press and see how cool it looks. You can see two applications at the same time, so you can open timer. And you can see one side music is playing and on the other side you can see the stopwatch. You can enjoy all the features of Dynamic Island on any iPhone now with this cool trick. The animation to silence your phone, or even on the lock screen you can see if a call is coming. Also the timer is playing at the same time. The notification of music icon. Yes, it does interfere with the notch, but this is a full-fledged application. Even when you switch off your iPhone and turn it on again, it will still be there. You will not have to install it again, as this application has full control. So that's it guys for this video. I really hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.